Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is NENYE'S. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in NWANYI, Anambra State, Nigeria. I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to you all for all your love, all your kindness, all your support, and to those that shared my videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'm supposed to be doing this earlier than now, but unfortunately I've been having some health challenges. If you really notice, I've not been on YouTube for the past weeks. But today I am better. So so what I'm about to say right now is that your girl's channel got monetized. Yes, my channel got monetized over a month ago. Yeah, I'm so overwhelmed right now. I'm so happy. So without you guys, all this wouldn't have been possible. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Thank you. For those that have not yet subscribed to my channel but have been watching my channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much. So in today's video, I'll be making our Nigerian Ogbono okra soup, and I'll be using the frying method for this cooking recipe today. So you guys should stay tuned as I get started. So guys, these are some of the ingredients for making our Nigerian Ogbono okra soup. This is our blended Ogbono, red oil, okra, our okra, pumpkin leaf, our seasoning cubes and salt, our iru or ogiri, our salted meat, pepper, crayfish and onions, and then also our stockfish head and our dry fish. So guys, let's get started. Firstly, I started off by soaking my shaki inside hot water. I wanted to try the Yoruba's method of peeling this intestine skin, and also this was highly requested by some of my subscribers on how to remove the intestine skin, so I decided to try it out today. And along the line it came out nice, but then it was actually taking much of my time because I was too slow with it. It was actually taking much of my time, so I decided to go ahead and cook my shaki like that. Somehow it was an epic fail for me. After washing the meat, I like to cook my shaki or okpomo first on a separate pot till it gets soft because it takes time to cook before adding the red meat. Next, I added the already washed stockfish head inside the boiling meat and I allow it steam for some minutes before adding the dry fish. And yeah, my meat is all cooked and ready. I'm going to be pouring some red oil into the pot. Then after, I'll allow it bleach for at least 1 minute before cooking. And also you have to be careful when bleaching the oil in order not to remove the actual color. After bleaching the oil for a minute, I went ahead and added the blended ogbono inside the bleached oil, and then I began to fry. And also you have to be consistent with your turning, like the frying, so that your ogbono won't get burnt. I just figured out that the ogbono I added before might not be enough, so I went ahead and added the remaining ogbono and began to fry for 2 minutes. My ogbono is somehow thick. I'm going to be adding some water into it, but then you have to check the consistency of your own ogbono before adding some water into it, since you still have your meat stock. While my ogbono soup is cooking, I have to get the pepper, crayfish, onions and iru or ogiri ready for blending. And also I like to roast my iru or ogiri because it brings out nice aroma. Next, I added the blended pepper mixture into the soup and I began to stir. Chimo, Ogbono nka na no. Soon they will not tell me that is Ogbono Nsoka. That's what they used to tell us. Anything that is good, they tell us it's coming from Nsoka. And yeah, another reason why I find this method very fascinating is because it's very quick and easy. You can make your ogbono soup in less than 20 minutes with the frying method. So you guys should go ahead and try it out and leave some comment in the comment section down below. After putting the okra inside the soup, you have to allow it to cook for at least 2 minutes before putting the ugu or pumpkin leaf. Yes, I've heard some people complain about the okra soup changing color when they're done making it. The only reason why this happens is because once you put your okra, you have to allow it to cook for at least 2 minutes then before putting off the light. If not so, because some people, once they add the okra, they'll just say, it's going to heat on a low heat, they'll just put off the light. That's the main reason your okra changes color. And yeah, my soup is ready. If you find this my method very helpful, please don't forget to leave some comments in the comment section. I'll be glad to respond to it all. And also please do subscribe. Yeah, so I'm done with the cooking, as in like I'm done cooking. This is my own. I'll be enjoying mine with Quaker oats. You can also enjoy yours with fufu, gari, pando potato, semo, yam pando, or even wheat. So you can enjoy your own with any type of swallow. You can enjoy it with any type of swallow. So today I'll be enjoying mine with Quaker oats, and so yeah, too much. So you have to be careful when eating this outside, especially when you're eating in a restaurant. So you have to be very, very careful. So guys, let me just enjoy this food behind camera. Guys, I'm done with food before, like I'm done eating. See my plate. Then I couldn't finish the oatmeal. My stomach is so full. So this is officially the end of this video. If you really enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to click on the red button down below and the notification bell to get my notification anytime my video goes live. So, and also, if you've not subscribed to this wonderful channel, please, Bikono, I am begging, subscribe. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.